Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. So firstly I recommend it to restart your audio player. Let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud. Just remove this application from the cache, then open it again. And also I recommend it to go to the App Store or Google Play and check if you have the latest version for this application, and update if you haven't. Now, if it didn't help you, next we need to check firmware update for your charging case, earbuds. So go to the Philips headphones application. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the app, and then go to the system at the right bottom. Click at the product information line, and at the third line we have software update. Tap at this line again, and now we check for updates. It said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, just update it. Next, also I recommend it to maybe you need to restart your device. So I use these earbuds with this phone, and I need to restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, you need to restart your tablet. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the case. Inside of the case we have connection button, and you need to double press at this button. 1, 2. After that we need to reconnect them with the phone, so we need to remove and add them. Open settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Now, at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. If your Android have this button, because not all Android phones have it. If you have iOS, turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. Tap on them, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!